experiment number 4. What do we have? What is this?
A razor, I said.
Okay, it's a razor.
I shouldn't you like that.
It's a razor?
Yeah, too.
Or a laser?
No, razor.
Razor?
It's like a cracker.
No, not really. Not really.
It's like and it's like a campfire. You bring that in the truck.
All right, but let's just see how it works. Anyways, we've got a laser gun. I've always wanted to have one of those lasers where it like actually burns things. Well, they're hard to get, and most
It's gonna make a fire.
Most of the models out there don't work. But
it's gonna make a fire.
I think we finally found one that does. It's a very large laser, just like those laser pens, but look how thick it is. So imagine what it can create.
Touch it. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, just go ahead and touch it. Here, hold it.
How heavy is it?
Pretty good. All right.
It's heavy, almost heavy.
So it's crazy. I don't even know what it's made of inside, but we're gonna let this one rip. Ready? So the first thing we're gonna do is power it on.
I hear the air.
You hear the air, the fan blowing. Look, see the laser on the box?
Yeah.
Here's the napkin. Now watch this.
No.
See this? This is the activator. I'm gonna press and hold this.
It's not doing something.
It's gotta heat up.
Heat up. Oh! That cute, you guys. What is the smoke doing? I don't want this. Dad, this is so bad. Dad, where's the smoke coming from? Dad, I never had one like that, right? Remember? I never had one. After I grow up, I would have one.
There we go.
That's not for baby church.
No, after I grow up. And I grow up. Oh! That is making a fire.
That, my friends, is a fire.
I want to touch.
Literally by light.
Oh!
So this
Do
is
again.
this is like the coolest fire starter ever.
again.
You don't even have to you don't have to go near the fire. Look at this. Watch from a distance. From a
I want
distance.
to do it.
I love making fire with light.
Wait! Daddy, you gotta put a napkin in the fire and then grow up in the big way.
I wonder how this actually really works. But
How do
imagine if you were
you're born that?
Nope, stay there, stay there.
You're born that. It's heating up, Dad.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt the table.
I wonder what it's doing when it's heating.
Yeah, and your blow would make work. Make work. I wanna
Oh, it looks like it's going right through the box.
Daddy, I wanna blow it after. Okay? No, no. Mom, I don't like that straw. You don't like that straw too?
No. That's a fire sound. Okay.
Bang.
Honey, put it in here.
All right.
Daddy,
So that's the experiment.
do another take.
Got to charge my laser. I mean my lighter,
Untouch it.
my igniter. Look, there's holes all over this box.
Try to do
So that's why it was going through this and going right to the box.
Okay.
All right, no, don't wave it around because of the ashes. All right, well, experiment over. Thank you for watching. Press stop right there.